believe, I'm most proud of, is I believe people know that I am honest and I'm a man of my word. Mr. Speaker, could I have a page to come back here, please? Mr. Speaker, I'm going to ask the page to deliver you a letter dated January the 8th. It says, I hereby resign as Speaker of the House to become effective if accepted by the members of this body. I'm not resigning my position as state representative for my friends and constituents in the 83rd District. And Mr. Speaker, I want to make it clear, I will be back here tomorrow to continue fighting for the people I represent, to continue fighting for the people of this Commonwealth, and to continue fighting for this institution, which is more important than any of us, and to continue fighting for legislative independence that I will tell you we are dangerously close to losing.